Ocean waves. Standing together, we walk side by side on the beach shoreline. A summer breeze that blows along the beach makes our hearts grow strong with passion like the ocean waves. It is like a paradise you thought never existed. The waves make a beautiful sound as we look out over the water. This is where we can find peace and comfort. The smell of the salty sea air draws us closer. It is a beautiful view that sometimes seems like a dream or only exists in our mind. We can clear our mind and leave our worries behind. Looking out into the ocean reminds us of love. The waves crash against the rocks as time seems to stand still.